Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you one of my games called Doors. Here's the code right here. As you can see, it's relatively a small game, but it has some detail in it. First of all, you may think, why is it called Doors and why is it saying Ghost Game? Well, in the sense, from the hints, I gave this game two names. Doors meaning that it will print first of all 3 doors ahead and print a ghost is in one. So that's why I gave it two names. So without further ado, let's go through the code. First of all, if anyone's making this game, I suggest that they do not need to write the import function, but I would suggest you do if you want to further optimize your game and add like new features. Let's say make it like an application like TK Inter. For this section right here, it's basically like the settings and stuff. For example, it says score equals 0. That means your starting score would be 0. And then there will be a variable which has game over equals false, in the sense that it will stop the game from ending. And then it will further then print ghost game, which will start. And then when the game over has not started yet, it'll print 3 doors ahead, a ghost is 1, and then it will give you a ghost door equals Randint 1 and 2 3. Your choice is basically which door you choose, 1, 2 or 3, and then you can just input it, and it says if doors equals choice, and you can say it will print this text, and then the game over will appear, else it will print no ghost and you get 1 point. You enter the next room and then it say game over, you made it through. Plus it will show your score and how many rooms you went through. So let's start the game then. The game would look like this in a terminal. For starters, I'm using PyCharm, but if you're using a different application, for example VS Code, it'll have your terminal may be a bit different, but usually in coding applications, a terminal would be like this. So as the code, as I said to you, it'll say 3 doors ahead and a ghost is in one, and it'll also say which one door do you choose, 1, 2 or 3. Now if I say 2, it says, a ghost, you run away, game over, you made it through 0 doors, and you don't have any score. So that means I just lost the game because I inputted 2. But the problem is this is in Randint, which means that the ghost can be in any door, in the sense random. So it's like randomized in the sense. So if I put 3, it says it's the same thing. It just says. So right now I'm really unlucky. So let's try to do this over and over again and see how many times I win this. So let's say if I put 2 again. See, there's no ghost right here. You enter the room and there's 3 doors ahead, a ghost in one. So in this code, it basically repeats in a loop. So you can go to as many doors as you want, but unless if you encounter at least one ghost, you don't technically die or just run away. So if I put 1, see, a ghost, you run away, game over, you made it to one room. So initially I have just failed the game right now. So the score is basically the how many doors you have gone through. So yeah, this is the game right now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, but only if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.